In this video, I will show you how to make single crochet. Before making single crochet, we have to have the base on where to work on. So at this time, I have a foundation chain. If you want to learn how to make it, please see my other videos for the basic crochet lessons. So before making single crochet, it's important that we are not working, most of the times we're not making single crochet to the last chain we made. So to the second one from the back, we will work on single crochet to this loop. Let's start making single crochet stitch. Firstly, put the hook through the loop, not this one, the last one, but the one before. Put the hook through the loop. Now yarn over like this and pull it through the loop. Now you have two loops on the hook. Once again, yarn over just like this and pull it through both loops. And you have your single crochet done. The next single crochet will be worked in the next chain. So put the hook through, yarn over, pull it through, two loops on the hook, yarn over just like this and pull it through. You have two single crochet done. One more time, we will make the single crochet to the next loop. Put the hook through, yarn over, pull it through, once again yarn over, pull it through two loops, three single crochet. Now I will make it a bit faster just to see the result, how it looks. Yarn over, pull it through. And single crochet stitch looks just like this. I will show you one more time slowly. We will make single crochet in the next loop. Put the hook through, yarn over, pull it through. You have two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through. So this is the basic how to make single crochet stitch. So I just made 15 single crochet from my base. This is how it looks like. Now if you want to make single crochet the other row, you have to make a turning chain. For the single crochet, usually we make a chain of one. So let's chain one, turn our work back, it looks like this, and we will continue working on single crochet. Usually this chain one counts as one single crochet, so we will not work on these two loops. So we will start making single crochet to the next one. So pull the hook through two loops, yarn over, pull it through, two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through. Once again, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through, two loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through. What is the difference when working on the chain and the single crochet? So before that we were pulling the hook through only one chain as we had the foundation chain, and now as we have single crochet below, for the most of the times we are pulling the hook through both loops. Yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. However, the pattern, or when you are making a crochet project, it can be said if you have to make single crochet only through the back loop, only through the front loop, or through both loops. So depending on the project, you will have the instructions. So this time I am going as the most popular way, going through both loops, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through. So you can finish working and learning how to make single crochet just like this. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you want to learn how to do basic crochet stitches, I have more videos for this in my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching.